the Seascape data is coming from Jamaica, Sea of Jamaica, and goal of our project is that we want to share creative and interactive, effective story with audience, and then we want to motivate people to recognize coral reef health condition, and also we want to give some kind of adventure, and also some humor, and also imagination.
I don't remember exactly who said it, but it was something about giving a voice to the coral reef. So in that way, we decided to do these sort of strange recordings of the voice interacting with water, so an underwater environment with the help of Ulysses. And so we have different types of sounds that you hear as you navigate throughout the reef.
The whole idea with that was to sort of comment on reef ecosystems, right? Because I felt like it was important to, if we're going to do a piece about reef ecology, to address what we were calling the human gradient, right? There's all these different gradients you can talk about with regard to reefs, but the human one is the one that interests me the most.
I think that we were inspired, perhaps consciously or maybe even subconsciously, by the actual texture of the visual image itself. That a lot of the percussion sounds are explorations of different surfaces and different terrains, exploring like the surface of cymbals and gongs and other drums, steel plates, and using different bows or lots of like small metallic beads and scraping them across different surfaces to create these sounds.